There is much to look forward to with the iPhone 15 Pro models, and the upcoming iPhone 15 Pro Max case leak reveals a significant design change. With that said, it appears that we might just have confirmation for another major design shift for the 15 Pro models. The iPhone 15 Pro models are set to gain major design changes, including the first USB Type-C port on an iPhone and the thinnest bezels on an iPhone. It looks that Apple is replacing the 16-year-old mute button with a new bespoke button for the premium 15 Pro Max, according to live photos given by the whistleblower. This supports an earlier report from Ming-Chi Kuo, and it will be one of the major changes to the flagship iPhone model's design. Previously, the mute button resided in the top left corner of the middle frame for convenient switching, and iPhone covers followed the same design philosophy. The posted picture shows a broader and more rounded hole in the upper left corner of the middle frame, which looks to house the rumored unique key. However, it now appears that this cutout is set to alter. If this occurs, the Cupertino tech giant may refer to it as the Action button, which was developed from the Action button on the Watch Ultra. For instance, in addition to turning off calls and alerts, you may map this button to do any action, such as calling Siri, opening a certain app, launching a particular command, or even acting as a camera shutter. Given how easy it is to use by muscle memory and how simple the mute switch is, some seasoned iPhone users may miss having one. The case photos also revealed the wider bottom edge cutout for the new Type-C port. Apple is moving ahead of the competition with Type-C before the European Union pushes its new common charger standard for smartphones and mobile devices, which will go into effect in late 2024. While USB-C is slightly thicker than Apple's proprietary port, casemakers must make adjustments. Finally, a crew member noticed that the power and volume buttons had been significantly moved on the new casings. Compared to the 14 Pro, the 15 Pro's buttons will be positioned somewhat lower, which should make them simpler to reach. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.